Hey everyone, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Monster Beverage Corporation. This is ticker MNST. Monster is in a monster uptrend and above all the key moving averages with clear near-term support down near the 21-day EMA or just below. Every time this thing dumps under the 21-day, it gets bought right back up either the same day or the next day. And so that shows some pretty strong near-term strength in the trend. What I want to see here from Monster is a continuation of this breakout that it's trying to push right here. We see a clear downward sloping trend line, a move above resistance, and it's coming on higher than average volume. So this is a pretty good start here on Monster Energy Drink. I think you could probably take a trade here on this stock with a stop down near $62 and add if it can make a new high right above $64.50. So look for some follow through here on Monster right above $64.50. And if you take that trade, watch for some momentum because that means this stock is hitting new all-time highs. So that's just one of many stocks we're looking at tonight at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that's helpful. I'll see you next time.